Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. Today I want to show you how you can perform easy logging in .NET. Logging is a very useful feature. You can see the errors and you can have info or debug messages to show you the current status of the application. Here I have a small application that the reference is nlog for NuGet, and it performs reading a file. When happens an exception, it'll log the exception and then throw the original exception. And the main program catches all exceptions and makes error exception. Here I have also an info file, and what I want is to log differently the info messages from the error messages. And to change that very easily. So the nlog has a feature that you can put an nlog config everything you want to customize. So I have a target named file that logs in the base dir folder logs and put the date. I have a target that has console and a target that has mails. So that means that every logging goes to one of these targets. How? So I said that for error, that is mean level error, I wrote to file f, that is file, and in the mail, that is m. And if I have trace, I wrote to the console. I do not log to the error, to the file on the mail. So I will run the application. I will see this in main. I will see in the console. I also see the other errors for this. Let's see what happens if I run. The file does not exist, so when I see read file a.txt does not exist, so it goes to the exception here. So run the program. Let's look in the log folder. There's nothing here. Let's look in the smtp for dev that intercepts email. Nothing here. And now we will run the project. So I have error info in main, info a.txt that I have put here in main, and info the name file. So I see in the console, and there is the error that the error have been going to the email here. Double click and see the email. And then you can see also in the log file the errors. So I see file not found exception and could not find file a.txt with the full name. So if I want to change, and for example I want not to show in the email, I could just delete this and the target will not be available for error, or I could add other targets very easily. So that's for logging. Just use a framework and log4net, another one, and make a configuration file that goes with the targets, and you could see very easily the errors.